Welcome to Speeduplight.
Welcome to the Speeduplight. So here, the AI search for the universal level. So whenever you debug mod for the developer, you will get the access for the universal level for this. So based on the user, manager, and admin, you will get the access based on that. So when you go to the AI search for that, so there is the some configuration you need to first do it. One of like you can configure like whatever the models level. So for example, the bank, there is the whatever the fields you want to see you can add over here, same like I have added for the testing the context. So there is the name and other fields I can add over here. So you can just click on the reindex now, ask to AI, it will be appear over these are the records. Okay, so for example the Gemini, this is related to the under context, so I will select this one or either this one. You can search, you can see these are the records in the Gemini. So this is without the any AI configuration related to the AI agents. You can do it. But if you want to configure the AI agents over here, and then after click to test connections, once it done this configuration, you can able to do the configuration. You can search anything related to that one under the system. So whatever the data, it will be go to the everything. If you have the specific model, you can just click on here and search it, so you will get all the data. So first of all, the data source, it will be based on the indexing, it will be appear here. Whatever the search is, it will be appear over here. So this is the related to the help to the any thing you want to search in the Odoo. So you can use in the community as well as the enterprise, as well as the support this application. If you have any questions, if you want to get the demo, you can contact to the Speeduplight. Thank you.